It's Squeaky Boy. With every breath he takes, you hear a whistle.
Where are you, Anthony?
In the emergency room.
How he ended up in the emergency room is quite a story. The kid was apparently playing with one of those doggy toys and swallowed the whistle part. This is what the doggy toys look like, and when you take them apart, there's a little whistle inside, and you can see how easy it is for a kid to swallow. A similar thing happened to little Hector Flores Jr. of the Bronx, New York. He sounded like a rubber ducky every time he breathed. And it went on for 4 weeks. X-rays showed little Hector swallowed the whistle part of a rubber ducky, and it lodged in his lungs. We talked to Dr. Mona Ganger.
His whistle was actually lodged in this tube that leads into the lower part of the right lung.
And that could be potentially dangerous, I'm assuming.
Of course.
So while it may sound funny, it's really no laughing matter, as Squeaky Boy found out in the ER.